What up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be Animal Company.
Orange, come here.
Please, please.
I'm gonna give you something for free. Come here. Come on.
Can we guys give me a grappling hook?
I'm gonna give you.
Can you guys give me a grappling hook?
He's Red Watch, he's Red Watch!
What do I have in my bag?
He is not Red Watch. Why does he have that? No, that's the plan. That's flashlight in Will.
No?
And we're going
You
to
wanna trust
you?
You wanna take
I don't trust you. I don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna get someone to go with me. Come to sewers if you wanna go. If you wanna see the video. Red, look how fast they're going.
I'm not suicide.
Oh, let me get out school. Come to sewer. Guys, these tacos are so spicy. These tacos are so spicy. Someone. Look how fast I can. These tacos are
you
so
there
spicy.
yet?
Ah! Spicy! Spicy! Ah!
You can't get me.
I blew up. I'm sorry. I'll be right. I'll be down.
I'm at a crush.
I'm about to eat and get fast like tacos.
Yo, shut up. You are a taco.
Can I have a grappling hook?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Because what?
Look how fast I can go.
Please, bro, just give me a bag full.
Go to sewers now.
Make sure you fly back up here. Where'd you fly?
If you're in sewers, just make sure. I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna be recording a video, so whoever wants to be in the video, if you want to be in the video, then you gotta go in sewers. I forgot a flashlight. Yo, and guys, bring a flashlight too. I forgot one. Yo!
I'm pushing a racer.
Come here. Come here.
Haha, stupid.
Yo, guys. Go. Do this.
No!
Kill me.
Hey.
Guys, kill me, bro.
2763.
Guys, I'm gonna sell this pop back right here.
2763.
Sell it. Guys, I'm gonna sell this pop back. It's not heavy. Oh, I'm gonna sell it. Let's sell it. I can't. Wait, what about if I do this? Let's see how fast I run. Well, if I do this? Yo, you in the heart shirt. You wanna go in?
Oh my god, that's where my revolver went.
Sewers? You in the heart shirt. What up? I wanna sell it. Who just wanna blow me up? Who just wanna blow me up? Yo guys, let's go to sewers and we can chill and have a great time.
Bro.
B-I-N-G-O B.
Hey, y'all guys need to go take a
Guys, go to sewers now. Yo, stay back.
Sorry.
Yo, you're a W. Stay back. Yo, can you hear this?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Stop trying to hit me, please.
Come on, body.
No, bro. Get out. Kill him.
Oh my god, it's a medic!
Come here.
Oh my god!
Come here, boy. Come here. Kill the chickens. Yo, we got some chicken meat.
Go get it.
Don't you dare, bro. I will beat you.
Yo, guys, we got some chicken meat.
What's toy?
No. Red monkey.
Guys, no?
Yo, I got hit with the. Yo, come here. I died. Everybody,
Kill the red one.
it's so annoying. Yo, guys.
Sir, we got it. That's crazy. Bro said, yes or not? And bro died.
He was a king. No, Bro's a. Bro,
We just started flying. It's crazy.
nuclear potato. Give me that. No. Give me that.
Bro, we're actually gonna accidentally kill him this time, and then we're gonna die.
Oh, my dead body. Phil GT1. Yes, you will.
Don't waste my.
I'm kidding.
No, I won't. You like
Oh my
You want to die in my game? I really love that. Yo, give me that.
Go get him, boys! Free hoverboard.
Wait, guys, go get the Overwatch.
Sorry.
I will not die.
Free hoverboard. Oh my god.
Come here.
How do you get that?
Free hoverboard. Oh my god. I bet that thing is. I will not die. I will not die. I will not die.
Oh guys, look at this.
Yo, I have long arms.
ammo though.
Protected. Yeah. My headset. I'm not red bar.
This is how it feels for people who are trying to kill him.
Okay, I'm not going that way. I'm not.
Dude, why are you trying to kill him?
Yo, I got a revolver. Okay.
Just go get him, bro.
I'm tested. You want some ammo? Yo!
Just go get him. Bro, go get the blue guy. Go get the blue guy.
I'm not perfect somehow. You're not very Henry because Henry's a boy.
Do it, bro. Do it. Go.
Bro, go. I know. Let's see you.
What are you doing? Why are you coming back and saying something, bro?
I'm scared you're gonna kill me.
Oh yeah, thank you. There's a guy.
Now I can go in the booth.
Wait, hold on. Skeleton, how do you get a revolver?
I bought it. Hold on, bar.
I know, but how do you buy it? How do you buy it? Bang, bang, bang.
In the VR.
Oh,
Yo.
I'm kidding.
Who wants a pickaxe?
Huh?
Why did you get fucking
Yeah, I do. Money, we got it. Shoot him, bro. Shoot him.
Yo, let me. Yo! I just got exploded, bro. I just got exploded. Oh, God, bro.
You want a present?
I just got green. Guys, I think I died. Kill
Oh, man.
brown and
Oh,
red
bad.
and orange.
Yo, whoever gave this to me is bad. Thank you.
Kill brown and orange.
That's me a bomb.
If the world was ending. Yo, thank you. Thank you, bro.
Copy.
Yo, guys, go to sewers now.
Copy. Red Watcher, bitch.
Guys, go to sewers and look at Red, because she's recording a video.
Don't say on the mic.
Yo, just stop talking.
Got all, bro. Hey, get off airline channel.
No. Ah, I see it. What? Yo. Stop.
Yo, how did I not die?
They killed me. Wow, GD top shot. GD saw.
Die!
GD.
Die, bitch! Yo, shit.
Hey,
Shut the fuck up.
No, I killed someone that stole stuff. What do you want from me? You want my sword?
My shotgun for something good.
Jump scare. It's on the crossbow. Oh, here. No.
Trading my shotgun for something good.
Going in mines.
Going on?
Yo, guys, go in mines now.